Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on KeyBank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in key.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for KeyBank. Now, once you're within the homepage, you will find the online banking option at the right side. Go ahead and click on sign on and you will be taken to the login portal. Now, within the user ID box, type in your user ID that you have set while creating your account, or you can also use your email address. Then type in your account password underneath within the password box and then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your KeyBank account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the problem signing on button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on KeyBank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.